Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Algorand staking. In this video, we'll teach you how to stake Algorand and guide you through signing up as an Algorand Governor so you can earn Algorand and staking rewards. The Algorand ecosystem has moved to a decentralized governance model. This allows the Algo token holders to participate in the ecosystem's decision-making process as well as earn governance rewards. Algorand's passive staking was phased out in early 2022 and replaced by the community governance program. Now you can commit your algo for 3 months, vote on community proposals, and earn Algorand staking rewards. First, go to Algorand's governance site at www.algorand.foundation/governance. Scroll down to Algorand Community Governance and click the Sign Up button. On the following page, click Sign Up. A new window will open and you will need to connect your wallet to participate in the current governance period. Now you can see and select the governance period you wish to participate in by clicking the drop-down menu at the top of the site's window. Down below, you'll see the deadline to become a governor as well as the voting period and the end date. If the sign-up period has ended, you're going to have to wait until the next period to sign up. Click Connect Wallet, select Other Wallets, copy and paste your Exodus algo address in the address field, and then click Connect Wallet. You can use your Web3 wallet, mobile, or desktop app algo address. Whichever wallet holds the algo you want to earn rewards on is the wallet to use. If the sign-up period is open, the dashboard will display your algo balance available to commit to governance. Now click Commit Algos. Decide on the amount of algo you want to commit. The max amount is your entire balance minus 1 algo. This 1 algo is a buffer that can be used to cover network fees in case you have to send a transaction during the governance period. When you commit algo as an Algorand Governor, the funds are not locked up. However, if you send any part of the committed amount from your wallet during the governance period, your wallet will become what's called underfunded. If your wallet is underfunded, you won't be eligible to receive a reward for that particular period. So keep this in mind when deciding how much of your balance you want to commit. Enter the amount of algo you want to commit and click Commit Algos. A pop-up will display with some information you will need for the next steps. You're going to need to prepare a 0 algo transaction from your Exodus wallet. And it sounds a lot more complicated than it actually is. So you'll need both the address and a note displayed in the Algorand governance site pop-up. Click the copy icon to copy the address. In your Algo Exodus wallet, click the send button and paste the address you copied from the Algorand site in the address field. Next, copy and paste the note in the public memo field. Please make sure you're entering the note in the public memo field and not as a personal note. Leave the amount as 0 and then click send. Back in the Algorand governance dashboard, click I've sent the transaction. It can take a few minutes to process, but once processed, you'll see your status as eligible, and that's it. You are now an Algo Governor. And remember, you must vote in all voting sessions to remain eligible for governance rewards. Thanks for watching, everyone, and congratulations on becoming an Algorand Governor. We've got a lot more videos for you, so just click any of these to keep watching.